Good morning, dear students. Okay, very good morning. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Okay, now welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantur. Okay, this is 5th standard class. Subject English. This is 5th standard class. Subject English. Okay, listen here students. In previous class we will start 4th lesson. Lesson number 4. Lesson number 4. Lesson name is A Page from N.S. Diary. Okay, N.S. Diary. Already we will learn difficult words in this lesson. Okay, now in this class we will start the lesson. I hope all of you have your textbook. So now open your textbook, page number 38. Page number 38. Okay, I hope all of you open your textbook. So now I will start the lesson. See here, lesson number 4, a page from N.S. Diary. Okay, she is a Anne Frank. Okay, first we will learn starter kit. Match the religions with their symbols. See here, match the religions, their symbols. First one is Buddhism. First one is Buddhism. He is a Buddha. First one is Buddhism. Second one is Christianity. Second one is Christianity. Next, third one is Judaism. Third one is Judaism. Fourth one is Hinduism. Fourth one is Hinduism. Fifth one is Islam. Okay. Match the religions with their symbols. Okay. Now we will start the lesson. Now get set. Anne Frank was a little Jewish girl. Anne Frank was a little Jewish girl. She was born in 1929 in Germany. She was born in 1929 Germany. During the Second World War, 1939-45. See here, Second World War. (1939–45). So, First World War. First World War, 1914 to 19. Okay. During the Second World War, 1939 to 45, she had to live in hiding with her parents in a little attic. Attic means a room or a space just below the roof of a house, often used for storing things. Means like a storeroom. Okay, small home that like a showroom. Okay. The family lived there for 2 years but were then caught and imprisoned by the Nazis. Imprisoned means jailu. Nazis means very cruel rulers. Anne died of typhus in March 1945. Typhus is a very dangerous disease. Okay, a serious infects disease. Okay, typhus means very serious disease. One of the disease in March 1945. Anne was unlike other children of her age. She was very wise and intelligent at school. She had no one with whom she could share the feelings of her heart, so she formed the habit of writing a diary. In this diary, she poured the deepest feelings of her heart. She named it Kitty and called it her dearest friend. Anne was then studying in a school at Amsterdam. Here is a page from this diary. 20th June 1945. Dearest Kitty, our entire class is quacking in its boots. Our entire class is quacking in its boots. Quacking means shaking with fear and feeling very nervous. Okay, the result of course is clear. The results of the annual exam are going to be declared. So, because entire class is quacking in its boots, it will decide who will move up to the next class and who will be kept back. Half the class is making bets from morning to night. It's you are going to pass. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, I am not. All students making bets. Okay. If you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. But who knows what the teachers will do? I am not much worried about my girlfriends and myself. I think we will make it. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. However, all we can do at the moment is wait. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Casing, the maths teacher, was annoyed with me for ages because I talked so much. Annoyed means angrily. Okay. Next, after several warnings, he assigned me extra homework. I was asked to write an essay on the subject a chatterbox. Okay, turn your page. That evening I finished the rest of my homework and then began to think about the subject I had been asked to write on. A thought and suddenly I had an idea. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Casing had assigned me. In my essay, I argued that talking is a student's trait and that I would do my best to keep it under control, but I added that I would never be able to cure myself of this habit. Since my mother also talked as much as I did, there's not much you can do about inherited traits, I wrote at the end. Mr. Casing had a good laugh at my arguments, but when he saw me talking during the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. This time I was to write on the topic an incorrigible chatterbox. I wrote and handed it in the next day for 2 lessons. Mr. Casing had nothing to complain about. However, during the 3rd lesson, he again saw me talking and said, N.A. Frank, as punishment for talking in class, you are the write an essay entitled Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. The class roared with laughter. I could do anything but laugh too. I had used up nearly all my ideas on the topic of chatterboxes. This time I had to come up with something new. My friend Sunny, who is good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay in verse. I jumped for joy. I finished my poem and it was a beautiful one. It was about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings. Okay. Swan and duck, 3 baby ducklings. The father beat the poor ducklings to death because they quacked too much. Mr. Casing had tried to play a joke on me, but I had made sure the joke was on him. Luckily, Mr. Casing took the joke the right way. He laughed and laughed. He read the poem to the class and to several other classes also. Since then, I have been allowed to talk. I haven't been assigned any extra homework also. On the contrary, Mr. Casing is always making jokes these days. Yours N.A. Okay. Okay, now we will start the lesson. Anne Frank was a little Jewish girl. She here one of the character Anne Frank. Okay, Anne Frank was a Jewish girl. Jewish means Judaism religion. Anne Frank was a Jewish girl. She was born in 1929 in Germany. When and where she was born? 1929 and Germany. She is born in Germany. She was. Okay, Anne Frank was a Jewish girl and she born in 1929 in Germany. Okay. During the Second World War, she had to live in hiding with her parents in a little attic. During the Second World War, okay. When she was born, 1929 in Germany, during Second War, okay. Second World War. She had to live in hiding with her parents in a little attic. See here, she hiding with her parents. Why she was hiding with her parents in a little attic? The family lived there for because why she was hiding with her parents? Because during the Second World War, okay, during the Second World War, so they hiding a little attic, okay, in a little attic. The family lived there for 2 years, but were then caught and imprisoned by the Nazis. The family lived 2 years when they caught and imprisoned by the Nazis. Imprisoned means jailu. Okay, Nazis. Very cruel rulers in Germany. Okay. The family lived only 2 years when they caught and they imprisoned by the Nazis. And they died of typhus in March 1945. Typhus is a and they died 1945. Okay, why she was dead? She having a typhus disease. Okay, this is a one of the dangerous disease. Okay, she is dead 1945 because typhus disease. Okay. Next, come to lesson. Anne was unlike other children of her age. Here, Anne was a Anne was unlike other children of her age. Why she was unlike? She was very wise and intelligent at school because she is very wise. Okay, very wise and intelligent at school. That's why other children she didn't like. Other children unlike to her. Okay, next. She had no one with whom she could share the feelings of her heart. She here Anne Frank didn't share to her friends her feelings. Okay, next. So she formed the habit of writing a diary. Anne having one of the good habit, that habit writing a diary. She formed the habit of writing a diary. In this diary, she poured the deepest feelings of her heart. She here Anne write his all feelings in that diary. Okay, in that diary. Then she named his Kitty. She named his Kitty. She named Kitty and she called dearest friend. Okay, dearest friend. She having one of the good habit, writing a diary. She write her all feelings in that diary and she named it Kitty. She named that diary Kitty and she called it her dearest friend. Next, Anne was then studying in a school at Amsterdam. See here, Anne was studying in a school Amsterdam. Okay, Amsterdam. Anne studying in that school. Okay, here is a page from this diary. See here, here is a page from this diary, Anne's diary. Okay. First, 20th June 1945. See here, 20th June 1942. She was dead in 1945. This diary 1942 when she was studying at school Amsterdam. Okay, first 20 June 1942. Okay, 1942. Dearest Kitty. Dearest Kitty. Okay. We already know she named that diary Kitty and she called it dearest friend. Okay, dearest Kitty. Our entire class is quacking in its boots. See here, our entire class. And is Frank class, entire class quacking in its boots. Quacking means very nervous. Okay, very nervous and fear. The reason why they quacking in its boots? The reason, of course, is clear. The results of the annual exam are going to be declared. Why is they quacking in its boots? Annual exam results are going to be declared. So, they are all fear and nervous. It will decide who will move up the next class and who will be kept back. Okay, that annual exam declared and decide who will move up the next class and who will the kept back. Okay, hope the class is making beds. All our students, most of the students, half of the students making beds from morning to night, from morning to night. It's you are going to pass. They are all, most of the students or half of the students making beds from morning to night. Who are going to pass? No, I am not. Yes, if were. No, I am not. Both are all discussed. Okay. If you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. But who knows what the teachers will do? See here, NS says most of the many students are dummies in this class. And who knows, but she say that students should be kept back. But who knows what the teachers will do? Who knows? Yaar nodara teachers in martara annodu. See here in this paragraph, she say most of dummies means stupid ones. Andre ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಏನದಾರ ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ ಅದರ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ಉಳಿದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಅದ ಅಂತ ನಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಎನ್ನೆ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳಕತ್ತಾಳ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಹೂ ನೋಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ. See here next, I am not much worried about my girlfriends and myself. See here, N.A. not much worried about her girlfriends and myself. I think we will make it. She surely say she will make it up. His friends, her friends and himself. She think she will make it. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. However, all we can do at the moment this way. See here, but she is sure she will make it. But one of subject she will doubtly say That subject was maths. Okay. Why she was down in this subject? Okay, but who knows? I am not sure about his maths. However, all we can do at the moment is wait. All or wait. What happened in the next? What happened the annual exam result? Okay, I get along pretty well with all my teachers, and Frank along pretty well with her all teachers. Okay, there are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 men. Her teachers totally 9. Okay, 7 men and 2 women. Totally 9 teachers. Next, Mr. K. Singh, the maths teacher. See here, students. Mr. K. Singh is one of the teacher. His subject maths. Mr. K. Singh. His subject maths. Okay. Was annoyed. Mr. K. Singh, the maths teacher, was annoyed with me for ages back because I talked so much. That Mr. K. Singh teacher annoyed with NS Frank. Annoyed means angry for ages, for most of the time, because she talked so much in the class. Okay, she talked so much in the class. After several warnings, he assigned me extra homework. Mr. K. Singh most of the time assigned N.A. Frank extra homework because she talked too much in class. Okay. I was asked to write an essay on the subject chatterbox. That extra homework. What that extra homework? That extra homework, write an essay, a chatterbox. Okay. Now we will stop the lesson. Next remaining lesson we will start. We will continue next class. Okay. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Okay. I hope all of you understood. First we will see, this is a whole lesson all about the N.S. Frank diary. One of the page pick and that N.S. Frank diary. Okay, she is a Germany girl. She is in Germany that time during a Second World War. Okay. Next we will learn next class. We will continue remaining lesson next class. Thank you one and all.